How to change server in Wuthering Waves. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to change the server in Wuthering Waves, then the first thing to do is to launch open the game and make sure you're signed in. After logging into your account, you'll be able to see this pop-up where your current server will be displayed. Tap on your current server and this pop-up will open up from where you can select a different server. You'll see a list of servers appearing from the top. Go ahead and choose one you want to switch to. Remember that your progress is usually separate for each server, so switching servers may show a different account state depending on where you played before. After choosing your server, click on Confirm, and there you go. That is how you can switch your server on Wuthering Waves. Make sure to always double check the server before logging in. Play on the closest region for smoother performance. If playing with friends, make sure everyone is on the same server. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.